I think it's the best training you can get.
I couldn't have better things to say about this training. I love it here, and I would recommend it to anyone who's interested in having to do injections.
Join us here in Clearwater Beach, Florida. RSVP today. We are so excited for you to join us, gain the knowledge, come play with us. We always have a great time. On Thursday, the first day with the VIP event, there are multiple tracks. One track that is marketing, an entire day of how do I bring these clients into my practice and what are the marketing secrets that I need. We have a track for sales. With that, you can get patients in, but when you're looking at longevity and regenerative treatment in particular, these are not covered by insurance. And so many medical providers are not trained in how do I ask for cash? Because these are cash services, base services. They are not covered by insurance. That is a skill set. We have a medical track. I will actually be training very specific questions that I get asked the most difficult procedures. We're also opening up another track for the business owners. Another part of this conference is we're bringing in a lot of really cool equipment, especially associated with the longevity space, whether it's infrared light therapy, red light therapy, ozone, and different types of treatments of equipment and procedures that helps with detoxification of the body. We've got experts coming in speaking on science with medical devices, the different light therapies, ozone therapies. We've got spine and pain interventional specialists that are speaking. It's an exciting gamut of experts in this field that are coming together to share the knowledge.